$CAD. $CAD.
Order filled. Order filled.
Euro dollar.
Order filled.
Euro dollar.
All right. Morning, everybody. Sorry, I'm being a little bit late. I'm selling euro yen real quick here. There's a lot of support on several levels. Most of these lines are actually from yesterday, so they're not 100% correct. I need to clean that up a little bit. Like this one is, this one should stay, but this is pretty sure not very significant. But yeah, it actually bounced off here. Let's see. Target is here the larger time frame support, which can be seen here pretty clearly on the 15-minute. But it could be that the euro is gonna go up first a little bit more. So I'm prepared to scale in here a little bit. In other words, this trade is likely gonna take some time. The indices are already on the way down, so that's good.
Euro dollar.
So let's see if we get the VWAP. That would be pretty nice.
Gold.
China's 7-day reverse repo rate rises 23 basis points to 1.8507%.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Looks like I should have sold pound here, no? It would have been a lot faster. The euro is kind of fighting. Indices are going down, dollar CAD is going up, everything looks pretty, but the euro seems to have some different ideas.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream.
Come on, dollar, help me a little bit here.
A model in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. And I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't.
Just less than 10 minutes now to the top of the hour when we get Japan City of Tokyo's average office vacancies for May. The prior was 6.38. Just after that, 5 minutes after the top, we have a small set of supply from New Zealand where they're to sell 100 million New Zealand dollars of 2.75% 2025 bonds, the same amount of 2% 2032 bonds, and a simple 30 million New Zealand dollars of 2040 bonds.
But there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. And I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman.
Currently my target is 143.043, but I'm having a little bit the same problem. I think it's gonna be a little bit higher. This blue line here is primary my target, but there are some oh, hold on, this is not correct. I just moved it on the smaller time frame, but not here, because that's okay. The absolute lows are around here.
Don't be such a stranger, tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me
Order
what you're
filled.
searching like.
All right. So it's this blue one here, or maybe that's that one here. Let's just make that a little bit bigger because that's gonna be a little bit more significant. So in other words, there's a lot of crap in the way and there's some sort of momentum to the upside. It's the VWAP, never mind. Let's just scale in here a little bit.
Euro yen,
Order filled.
Euro dollar,
Yeah, the euro is trying really hard to get up here. And looking at the other pairs, this is the euro seems to be the only one. Unless the euro is early and other ones gonna just follow up later. Which means the euro yen short is actually gonna fail. This is undecided yet. Still undecided, sorry. Yeah, but if you, like as example for the pound short is 26 down. Up it's maybe somewhere around here at 16. Yeah, there seems to be some sort of momentum. We have to wait it out, basically. There's also no room to hedge, so even if it would go much higher, the structural top is 24 pips higher. So yeah, this isn't the best trade. Let's put it that way.
Order filled.
Yeah, I will not. Very likely not. I mean, the white one here is. Let's just. This one is supposed to be gray. I really need to clean up my charts here. This one we can remove. This is from 2 days ago. Okay, this can stay. This can stay. This can stay. Yeah, they're all somewhat significant. I cannot really remove all of them. Okay, this one is kind of garbage. Yeah, okay, this one can go, but this one stays. We just make this thinner. All right. So the absolute target will be this white line here. Let's just make this one yellow. Well, orange-ish. But I'm probably gonna take profit around here. Maybe even at the pivot. I'm not so sure this is actually gonna do very well. I just adjust the risk. Make this a smaller type of trade and then just, yeah, basically hit it hard right here, right now. And if it goes higher, hedge it. Yeah, okay, this structure is already broken. This is kinda pointless. Yeah, there's very little we can do, to be honest. I'd have gone with pound yen now. Or euro, or Aussie yen. Look at that, Aussie yen would have been so much better. There's also some rejection here. Let's smoke one and refill the coffee, and then we're gonna see what's gonna happen.
Euro yen. Euro dollar.
Sorry, I didn't see the question about the stop. Yeah, it's 236, probably too close. And to be 100% honest, if it breaks the VWAP here, not because it's a VWAP, just because there's nothing above, I may be thinking about hedging it when it goes higher than 982, but I'm not yet sure. So I'm gonna... Oh, sorry, I didn't show you that. If it goes higher than... What did I say? 982, something like that? Yeah, maybe 989. But I'm not really sure, because here's some consolidation. And here are lows-ish something. Basically, this whole structure here... Let me just use the snipping tool real quick. This whole structure here is pretty tricky. Yeah, I think if it breaks the VWAP, I should just hedge it. But, you're looking at the rest of the party, it seems like it's gonna go down. Dollar CAD is also going up. It's a tricky one. This is a situation where hedging is probably not make much sense.
Just less than a minute now.
So, with that being said, I'm just gonna do nothing. Go downstairs, make me a coffee, really slowly. So I don't do anything stupid in the meanwhile. I just see there's a resistance on the 4 hour, but if that's actually being tested, why is that not under my 15 minute? That's odd. Yeah, actually that would be a very pretty buy. How far is that? 100 pips. Let's just have a quick look. Where is that line from? Oh, that is actually kind of significant. That would be a nice hedge target though. Yeah, is actually a good idea. So let's put the line here. This is the same one I have on the 3 minute. It's the yellow one on the 3 minute. And I can hedge it all the way up here. Question is, if it turns here, like if it's retests the high and turns here, then I will be in a bad place.
Euro yen.
Let's just say if it goes higher than... this is just really bad price action. This could just go up, test the high, and go straight back down.
Euro dollar.
How much do I have in 7 lots? I can just... I'm gonna put a hedge order here, just... so I can remove the stop. Maybe this is not really going as planned. Let's just put it around here, maybe? Yeah, that looks good.
Order pending.
The euro hasn't really moved yet, but if the euro goes up
from a prior
This
6.38.
looks like this is gonna be a the 100
month-on-month
pips up
for
gonna be an easy
Tokyo's
target.
average office vacancies for
So I
May.
guess it's all about the euro now. Let's just keep that here on a closer look. Oh, damn, wake up already. Damn watch. Alright, coffee time. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that. If the euro goes up, which it looks like, then I'm just gonna hedge it a little bit. I have actually double the size on the hedge, but this doesn't mean I'm gonna revenge it. I'm just gonna buy it up to the resistance, close it there, and then see what happens. There's still a chance the original plan is gonna work out, and it's just gonna retest the highs.
Euro dollar.
Just afraid my hedge is probably gonna be too close.
Order filled.
Anyhow, let's just leave it like it is, and I'm gonna go downstairs, get me a coffee. I'll be back in a minute.
Stops off.
Order cancelled.
New Zealand's auction. They sell 200 million New Zealand dollars of bonds, with the auction bids totaling 577 million New Zealand dollars.
DAX, Euro dollar,
%3.8667%, and a bids cover of 1.57.
DAX, Euro dollar,
Specifics for New Zealand's 2025 bond, achieving an average yield of 3.5334% and a bids cover of 4.2. The IMF official for Japan says if core consumer inflation rises between 3 to 4%, we would support some form of monetary normalization by the Bank of Japan, but we're still somewhat far away from that.
Euro dollar.
Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us and we could stay up all night. Kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you.
Euro dollar. Someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my hand. I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my hand. I wanna be with you. Euro dollar.
Euro dollar. Gold. 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 Euro yen. Euro yen. Gold.
Target filled. Target filled.
Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD. Cable.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
NASDAQ.
Order filled.
Euro Yen.
Order filled.
Coming up to the approximate release now of China's trade data. Could be released at any time from now even. With the trade balance in US dollars for May, expecting a surplus of 58 billion. Reuters do give a range, however, between 50 and $73.1 billion. The prior was surplus of $51.12 billion. As mentioned, the trade balance data for May is expected to have bounced back, given the dialing back in COVID lockdown restrictions that increased during the month. And then for exports and imports specifically, exports year on year for May, looking for 8% on a prior 3.9%, with a range given by Reuters all the way between minus 1.5 and 12.2%. And then for imports year on year, looking for 2% on a prior flat reading of 0%, with a range all the way between minus 4.7%
Euro yen.
and 5.4%.
Alright, Chinese data coming up in a second. Oh, by the way, yeah, like I said, I hedged the euro yen on the way up, so I could afford actually to scale in. And I just now close it because the euro is
Mr.
going
Swing, I'm
back up.
calling
But
you out.
looks like this was maybe a mistake. Looking at the pound as example.
Come out and say good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, the pound is right at the VWAP now. I was short euro yen actually, and then it went over the VWAP. I hedged it out, So I could actually scale in on the top, which worked actually pretty well. And then it went back down to the VWAP and never mind, let's just take the money.
Yeah, I'm short pound yen, but it's...
Yeah, I shot a pound yen too, actually, but just for a scalp. How much was that? 13 pips? Yeah, 13 pips.
Yeah, I'm looking for the half-hour structure to come into play and all that. Yeah. You know me.
Yeah, same idea, just on euro yen, but the euro is really, really strong. Hedged it very heavy, closed it at a structural level, and then scaled into the shorts and just took profit at the VWAP. Now I'm just confused as fuck.
Pound yen is messing around below the VWAP, so...
Yeah, pound yen is below, the pound is below, Aussie dollar is below, everything looks pretty, but look at the euro, it's going straight up. So I just closed euro yen shorts and bought them, but it's not very much risk. It's like, I don't know, how much is that in terms of distance? It's like a 19 pip stop loss, and I have like 0.06 risk on it. I'm probably gonna stop it out anyway if it makes it low, because I'm originally short biased.
Cable. Aussie dollar.
The dollar CAD is trying to make the VWAP. The DAX is already green. Nikkei, come on, give me something. Nikkei is green too, but it didn't make a new high yet. But it's not far from it. That's how far is that? That's like 14 points. That's nothing for the Nikkei. That's gonna happen in 10 seconds.
Bitcoin.
Yeah, so in other words, random shit is happening. I'm really curious why the euro is so strong. It went straight up. Scared me a little bit actually, and then I had to go downstairs because my daughter had to go to school. And she decided not to get dressed for some random excuse. Well, long story short, the shorts look still valid, but so does a buy, actually. But I'm still more short biased, to be honest. Dollar CAD seems to hold as well. But the euro just keeps going.
DAX.
Seeing that? Just that anyway.
No, I'm looking at something else now. I'll look at in a little bit.
The pivot held on the euro, and this is also a high from yesterday. Maybe, yeah. This is some interesting horizontal level.
Dollar CAD.
Yeah, there is a lot of tests here.
Okay, so if the Nikkei fails to break the last high and goes down, then
Then the shorts are on.
the yen shorts are on. Yeah.
That's why I was not afraid at all about shorting euro yen, even with the euro going up. Hey, look at the euro.
Yeah,
There's so much momentum.
Euro spiked up.
This is definitely not the US dollar, because dollar CAD doesn't really move. The pound doesn't really move. Must be something else. I'm looking around already, but I can't find anything. Happened to carry express same day delivery. What the fuck?
Oh,
I
really?
did something from Pratumtani like 3 days ago. It hasn't even left the sorting facility.
I doubt it's Carrie's problem.
Probably. Just faking with way built.
I saw something where some guy says he trades CAD yen during Asian, pound yen during London, and some other during the U.S. Is there any validity to trading CAD yen during Asian versus pound yen? I looked at it and it doesn't look much different.
Yeah, EXO actually did that too.
Is there a reason, or are they just?
Well, it's a bit like trading dollar yen, I guess. You're not too much exposed against the dollar, so trading dollar yen in Asia session is probably not a good idea. The CAD yen has some influences, but the problem is that the spread is probably going to be horrible. The spread isn't actually too bad. What's the ATR? I have 10 pips on the range, and on pound yen. Pound yen has double the range. Spread is almost the same.
Yeah. So, right?
Yeah.
It's just
yeah,
one of those. It's just another.
That
one of
was
those
maybe
things.
true like 2 years ago, something like that, a year ago-ish.
Or a day in a week of 3 months ago.
I remember EXO was trading pound yen pretty heavily, and that's why I looked at it regularly, because he say, "Oh, I'm long that, I'm short that," and I take a look myself, and the price action on CAD yen did look actually pretty nice. Looking at it now, CAD yen, this looks just like pound yen.
It looks about the same as
but
pound
the
yen,
ATR
right?
is smaller and the spread is larger.
Yeah.
Yuan denominated trade data now trickling in from China. So we're keeping an eye out for the main US dollar balance data and exports and imports. For those interested, China's January to May yuan denominated exports up 11.4% year on year, and the imports up 4.7% year on year.
If you trade it session based, then you should trade ASEAN. But he probably don't trade that because of the ATR is too small. Or Pipone and all that stuff. You know anything about that?
About ASEAN?
About the guy you mentioned, is he after pips or is he after easy ranges?
Yeah, I don't think it's relative what he's after at this point. It's obvious CAD yen has less range and is more expensive at the Asian time.
Yeah. If you want to trade something cheap that has a small range, ASEAN is the best pair to trade. Spread is very small and the movement is very predictable.
Trade balance $78.76 billion. Imports 4.1%, exports 16.9%. Upside
Oh, I'm
surprises
glad I
across
exited
the
short.
board.
Pound yen short is back at the VWAP. I made a
Awesome, they're going
screenshot.
across
I
all
haven't put
those
it in the
numbers
blog
again.
either.
China's trade balance for May in US dollars, $78.76 billion and estimates of $58 billion. Their exports year on year, 16.9% on estimates of only 8%, and the imports 4.1% on estimates of 2%.
Aussie yen.
Oh shit, I have to construct my history. When do I do the hedge? Buy euro yen, there we go. 913.
Pound yen.
When did I sell pound yen? There we go. 917. And closed 945.
China's January to May crude oil imports down 1.7%.
Pound yen looks still like a pretty short though. Literally right now with the same stop loss. Euro is still going up.
That little extra for their energy imports, the nat gas imports also down.
And Bitcoin might go up, but I don't like this level.
Level on Bitcoin?
Yeah, it's down there in the muck.
Oh, that doesn't look too bad.
Yeah, I'll take a snip going up just a little bit. I'm not gonna hold it.
Can just stop it out at the previous low. Maybe 29962, something like that. Maybe a little bit lower. 29926.
Nasdaq.
And the pivot is a good target for 3150. Maybe about 3140, something in that range. Because this is at the 31 level, the $500 around the 31 level, there is quite some massive price action. I really want to reshort pound yen.
Pound yen. Dollar CAD.
It looks so pretty, pound yen. Should I do it? But I'm long out euro yen. Decisions.
Here's a decision for me. I'll stay off of gold for a while.
Problem is, one of them is faking it. I don't know which one. Dollar CAD looks like a
Well, I think pound yen's going to make a move down. It doesn't have to be that large to make the structure.
sorry, I just muted myself. I had a phone call.
I just said I think pound yen's going to make a move down, and it doesn't have to be that large to fill out that little structure.
Dollar CAD.
It's actually pretty tiny now. I took 18 pips, but this is sloping up, so now it's just 12. This is like begging to be sold. Come on, this is just make the same trade again. This kind of thing. But I'm also buying EURJPY, which makes no sense, and dollar CAD looks like it's making a VWAP reversal to the downside. One of them is gonna fail. I could just do both, and one of them gonna fail, and I make no money. But don't have a loss. Now it's too late. Never mind. And dollar CAD just went over the VWAP. Oh, this pound yen trade is gonna work out so nicely. Easiest trade ever. That also means I'm gonna get subbed out on EURJPY. To take the 80 bucks? This kind of correlations are kind of fucked recently, like in the last 2 or 3 months, something like that.
Yeah, the correlations waver a lot.
It's back to trade what you see, I guess.
Yeah, trade what you see, not what you imagine.
Exactly. Oh fuck, I need another coffee. I only slept like 4 hours. When did I take profit on my hedge? Come on, where is it? Friday, it is 9:13. That was the entry, where's the exit? 9:21.
Bitcoin's being sneaky, I like that. If I learn how to trade that, I'll be able to trade it.
The indices are back in the red. I should have just shorted pound yen. It's like begging to be shorted. Well, the mailman just called and now he doesn't show up. What the fuck? I always call anyway. I have a doorbell.
Probably a cow high by night.
He just came. So yeah, it's not carry because this package came from Songkla and it was shipped yesterday.
My defense for carry stands.
So, how to open that without killing the box?
It's just every delivery I've seen from carry, they've always been good attitude.
They're also quite expensive. They got quite large because of Lazada.
Yeah, it's just one of those things. But they're definitely up there on the list when it comes to attitude.
It was years back when when Lazada was still in German hands, everybody who sold on Lazada had to have a contract with carry.
Oh, so automatic growth. Nice.
Yeah, they just said if you want to sell on Lazada, you have to have a contract with carry. And you actually have to link that with your Lazada seller account, so Lazada could ensure that shit is actually gonna get delivered and not get lost somewhere with some motorbike taxi.
Nasdaq. Aussie dollar. Nasdaq.
So Bitcoin does the slow fast thing, right? Or do they all do that just to certain degrees?
What do you mean?
Periods of incredibly slow and then bursts.
Oh yeah, yeah, sure. Bitcoin is famous for that.
Like it just came up to VWAP, did a 15-minute slowdown, and now is going up past VWAP. Kind of like, wait for the filling station.
Nasdaq.
Yeah, what am I talking about? Pound yen did the same thing. Everything does the same thing. Okay, never mind.
Aussie dollar. Dollar CAD. Aussie dollar. Nasdaq. Dollar CAD.
The Euro yen is still deciding what's gonna go.
Yeah, we're in a little holding period now.
Pound yen is going slowly down. I should have taken that shot. Damn it.
Let's see if it changes at the bottom of the hour. Or the top of the hour. Nasdaq. Euro yen.
Looks like I'm gonna get schooled in a minute.
Order
Scale 10.
filled.
Should have taken the short on pound yen.
Nasdaq.
Damn, these straps are really nice. Let me test them real quick.
Dollar CAD.
For hours? I don't really understand what that means. I'm trading since 2 hours and 2 minutes. And now I'm gonna test my straps real quick.
Dollar CAD. Aussie dollar.
Oh, that is so cool. I can just let them go and they're not falling off. That's so nice. So I'm gonna get stopped out in a minute on pound yen, on euro yen.
Euro yen.
And the euro is going straight up. Yeah, FX Grumpy mentioned something. I guess this is pricing in for the ECB.
I took my CAD yen short off. I'll stick with pound yen. I was just testing it.
Damn, this is really nice. Skills, I can do that. What is he doing? He's killing himself. Okay. Maybe I should more focus on the game.
Double kill.
Shit's going down here.
Double kill.
Who's shooting?
Double kill.
Euro
may follow me. I am the king of clubs.
Oh, good shot.
But I'll just kill you. Just trying to kill me.
Double kill. Ooh.
Team? What team?
Go yeah!
Oh, good shot.
Nasdaq.
Exact. Oh my goodness gracious. Is every-
Nice one.
Double kill.
Nasdaq.
Double kill.
here. Not here. Not 40. No. Where's everybody going for me?
Double kill.
I'm on your team, dude. Are you an idiot? I'm on your team. Okay,
Double kill. Triple kill.
bro, these are Chris
Spawn killer, huh?
I got you anyway.
Oh, wrong person, sorry.
Double kill.
Oh, nice one.
I got stuck, boy.
Sweet revenge. Oh, I didn't get you. Oh, nice. Didn't see you coming.
I'm leaving. I'm just shooting at.
Here's your reminder. Hensing lunch in 5. Here's your reminder. Hensing lunch in 5.
Hey Swing, great trading session. Are you still able to speak when you're playing the game, or? I nearly finished the book.
Sorry, what do you?
I'm trading for a living, really good book. I got your GJ shorts and your Euro Yen shorts, really good. I just closed a big percentage.
Is it going down? Because I'm actually buying Euro Yen. Oh, I didn't get him. Ah, nice. I'm too old for that, I guess.
comes at night. God don't understand. And I so different now. We are always on the edge. Hearts are open wide.
Hong Kong's Lam says it's impossible to reopen the border with China in the short term.
Okay, I give up. Oh, come on. Time for revenge. I'm not gonna die that easy. Hold on a second. What's up? Let me just take a look at this sniper rifle. Nice.
Let's go! This kid's done. This kid is Dookie Boy. Watch this, guys.
Also news, US FTC chair says lawmakers' concerns about Tesla autopilot are on their radar, according to a Reuters interview.
Alright, let's murder somebody.
Oh,
good shot.
First potion.
Double kill.
Damn you, sniper. Where did he go? Oh there. At least I got your shield. Alright, this is how we play it. Okay, one more kill and I'm leaving. come on. Enter the safe zone and dead. Alright, no, I'm done anyway.
Equities Meta halts the development of the